darling.
Oh my God, Kong's Eve.
Thank you, my dear.
Kong's Eve, Manange. Imatusize chume chipya. Oh my God, Kong's Eve. Kong's girl, look at the car.
Wow.
Woo, yeah, Kongs. Tubireko banange.
Is it true that she's pregnant? Ne Cinderella Sanyo. Are those two pregnant? Please.
Omwana Lema aka the first Muganda to put on an electric dress.
Yeah.
Muganda yazoko kwambala amasanyalaze.
First of all,
yakubidwa amasanyalaze.
Both of them have got pregnant before, so they can be pregnant again. Ebintu ebikola by'abantu obiraba ze kyenakoma ku kastanira abatoyi eringa Lema anonya toyi y'omwana omulenzi netegera nti omwana is a boy. She looks pregnant. We are not sure.
She
looks pregnant.
Lema,
even the dresses now she wears.
She wears the gandulas.
Yeah.
The maternities, you are pregnant, Lema. Yeah,
Hamza is showing her work. Cindy, so they also say. What?
She's not been performing on shows that would be very obvious for her to perform.
There's a time when Cindy's belly was out there. And they thought she was pregnant. Then it went back up. I said,
it went back.
And then you said, exercise. I don't know. So, Neka Kati Engirija, no one said, I got chitono nyo to share the. Oh, is it the new man?
This woman is pregnant.
What the new man is telling her?
Look at that video. Look at that, where that video starts from.
Let's see. Hey,
you seen?
What do we have to say? I'm coming and not choking down.
Not choking down.
Yeah, Cindy.
Cindy!
You had a telequera once in a quack and get them called. Yeah.
So she could be.
And also the Veda once you are good.
I will put a capital can I come and a cavida on the way cut.
Or good no Veda Yuchi.
Lukula with Dawa Gashomana,
okay.
No, but that shows pregnancy.
That shows a big.
And that is 1st August.
It shows a big
stomach.
Yes, maybe. The man she's with.
Okay.
Lisa.
Not when that video to be this is Galaxy.
Yo, Mr. Henry.
How are you? Good.
This is Ben Kuvano Bukasa. Chembuza, Chitufu. Fikfa Maika. Yebawa Lia Jasmine over Nedda. So kumbulira omwana kuvoka kachali mwana sikategeera.
Kati ebyo bawe bijje okubanga bawe omuntu abeera yamuwasa naye oba maybe oba yagala kumanya oba atera okubeera ne Lia Jasmine. Yes. Batera okubeera bonna. Oba kitegedde.
Kati be baliko.
Batera okubeera bonna naye bya bawe.
Mpoza ayimba kanyimbira.
Lia Jasmine. Na White House ekendinya. The one and only. Dema Promotions, big up on yourself.
Yeah,
5W's Bar and Gardens, Eblenga. Big up on yourself.
Thank you so much for tuning in. Now I'm Mozero Kid. Thank you so much for tuning in.
What you?
Yo, Mr. Nkoko bali tuweleza mwana bali kutambuza kintu ekyo oli wakalimani naye kyembuuza kati Maya Msuza abeera ne mama we oba abeera ne Eddie Kenzo? If so, where is her mom staying? Kubanga yeah, where is her mom staying? And where is she with her girl?
Why isn't she with her girl?
Yo, Mr. Nkoko embuuza kati
Maya ne amalu bansumbuwa.
Maya ne Stefana yitwase myokulaba ngali ne
Zodzi. Banange, the children is looking good.
Agwe.
It's not what you're thinking. Omwana bamukuziza.
Gamba nti
she's promising too.
Oh!
Jesus!
Naye munnange nno ojja kulekera ogenda wali ku Salama Road wonnatandika ebigambo ng'ebyo. Abasajja abanoonya bu children tebaagala muntu yenda kwegomba baana baabwe. Bakuba emigere.
Abera nani?
Why? Simanyi abera kubanga tuli yali abera ne Lema.
Tukube simu.
We don't know if she's staying with Batekeza ina abantu banja basobola okulabirira omwana oyo.
We call the phone.
Even the mother is in good condition. She can also stay with the kids. Yeah. The mother, they heard that saying over mbwe simanyi aline gundi n'omwami we omulala yafuna omwami omulala.
Definitely she had to move on.
Because she was a beautiful girl, man.
Yeah,
you lose out on the beautiful
just say people. She moved on.
One beautiful girl there. Went, another beautiful girl down. So we are waiting for. Actually, moving to know if you get an uglier girl, that is when you.
When you move from Mama Amar
and you get uglier girls, you will see.
But the one and only was not hungry. All the people we've been.
Kachima kamolamba. Kachima. Ninanga Kachima.
Never forget that. I was seeing your night. I told you back in Bokoyo Mukazi. Jafutia.
One of my getting more could say fun in Ivory Coast. Back is your gun to call you, get out.
Wa totunyo de bulungi kyogamba yakuba muno kuba mukumata ebisoko tugambe.
The one at home.
Wewe byonyumya tulina video. Tulina video. Oshegera.
Ze mulinde chimu. Kana kavenga kaina ama.
Byonyumya tulina video. Nanga tubalaba bonna.
Yo mubabula dibiti.
Obudamu.
Pado muyekerya va mu kibira Entebbe timu Victor Rose.
Ani akuli.
Atulira ke bya Rema ne hamu za tene Kenzo mbate Kenzo ali awo isimanya Rema te chimbwe embaga y'abate no counseling wakubona simanya ya talawu ya simanya biki. Kiri kityawo.
Kiri mugolo yase.
Kumuzata nga wali.
Ensonga zangu
ya tulina mukulu wa dini.
Asobola no chusa.
Sobola no chusa olunyiriri. Ye muliko. Just COVID yono ne.
Yo, Mr. Nkoko.
Yanose.
The Pam Chat. Mugamba muchaba bandi. Muchikuba ba Galaxy FM. This is Alach Eric Chung from Buziga. Kati nze njagala kumanya banange bebe kulu nga asigise nnyo. Kiki abalaka ki? Mwana mwebala okuweereza kye njagadde okumanya.
Bebe bantan. Amanyi mangi nnyo. N'ebibuuzo biri bitya. Kuba tuni. Bebe Banton has just been live and definitely he's not been silent. Yakakola live te wanaita nako.
Mtu yakafira omuntu wa COVID. Eyo kiba silent.
Okufira omuntu wa COVID.
Yes, omusajja nava nayogira album yagambye after COVID ajja releasing album, maybe even concerts. So yeah, Walande.
Hello, Mr. Henry. Timo. Nzebale kumubale kweleza. Akatimba nebuuza.